If you've ever searched for a job, I'm sure you know the absolute pain that comes with writing personalized cover letters for every single job application. Now, I totally feel your pain. You're trawling LinkedIn, Indeed, startup jobs, anywhere you can find, and banging in your applications, especially in tough labor markets that we face in 20. So I'm going to show you how to leverage workflows, Otio's no-code automation tool, to your cover letter generation. Whereas before it might have taken you up to 45 minutes to write a cover letter because you're procrastinating, etc. This will do the research for you and then implement that into your chosen style. So without further ado, let's get into it. So you probably are familiar with these job boards, LinkedIn, etc., going through all these. This is specifically graduate because that's the last job I've looked for in my life. So yeah, let's pick out this job for TikTok strategy and operations. It actually sounds pretty fun, actually. Let's navigate to our cover letter. This is my old cover letter for a very old job application. I think it was for a macro fund. So for this, you're going to want to navigate to the Otio workflow section. You might be able to see from our previous videos, we've had a little makeover as well. So definitely sign up and check Otio out. We've been making wholesale changes to the design to make it easier than ever for you to supercharge your research-based tasks like this. So we have workflows here, and you can see all my workflows. You can see a little spoiler there as well, but we've taken the liberty to actually make a template for this, so you can just simply plug and play. So yeah, let's have a look. In the first node, we've got a web search. Now this is going to be the basis of our research, and you can add as many of this as you like, but ultimately for cover letters, in my experience, it doesn't need to be totally customized. Same with kind of any cold writing. So we've put our search term here. You would just replace this TikTok with the specific company, and as well, if you want to restrict these domains, so say if it was like finance, you might want to look at the FT, or say if it was business, you might want to limit your search to Forbes. Also, I like to exclude Twitter or x.com as well, because often these posts can be a little bit noisy. Text reader, you're going to want to copy and paste the job description. We can copy the job description here, chuck that in here. Alternatively, you can just turn this into a web node, and how you do that is you delete the node and you would add a simple web parser, and you just paste the URL of the job description. Then you read the file, and here we have a cover letter that I showed you before. You could either pick from your library if the cover letter's in your library, or you could just upload it as such. The second one would be your CV. This would be the basis of maybe peripheral points that the AI makes in regards to your cover letter, getting into specifics. And the AI agent kind of puts it all together. You can choose your model as you please. I went for the Google Gemini 1.5 Pro because it has a long context window. And it's also pretty good for writing tasks like this. And we're writing a prompt here. Now you can make this as detailed as you like and add specific formatting instructions. Basically just test this with the run and see how you like the output. But at the moment we've gone very simple. It's going to be using our file reader 3, which is our cover letter previously, as a template for structure. Then we're using text reader 2, which is the job description. The company research comes in from node 1. And we're also given the instructions to use our CV2. Our output is an AI agent, and it's plain text at the moment. So let's just use that to test, and we can see the output here. It's very tailored to my needs. It's bringing in my experience from my past as well. I'm pretty happy with how that looks. There's a few little areas that we need to input ourselves, so you can just quickly do that. But compared to my previous workflow in making cover letters, this has done the real heavy lifting in terms of bringing in some research stuff as well. Final step I'm going to want to do is change this to output type to either a note or a Google Doc. Let's just do it in the notes to keep it all within Otio. And this will allow me to make those edits that I wanted before as well. So yeah, as you can see, this workflow's done most of the heavy lifting, and now we can just make the quick tweaks, export that as a PDF and submit it, and that's going to be super fast. You can see how you put those specific inputs, mainly the job description and the company name and the web search. With those two parameters tweaked, you can make your cover letters over and over again. Okay, here we go. Let's see that in our notes. We view the note here, and we can see all of the stuff here, and we can just export this as we please, edit, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with that, how that's gone. So hopefully that gives you a little snapshot as to the power of workflows in streamlining kind of these basic mundane tasks that you probably do in your day-to-day, whether that be at work, in your personal life, in school as well. As long as you can conceptualize that task and break that down into subtasks, then workflows will be able to do it. So yeah, anyway, I really hope this helps with all of your job searches, whether that be job hopping, trying to find a graduate job, whatever that would be. Hopefully this opens up your opportunities. Let me know if you get a chance to use this. Feel free to join our Discord as well, and I'll be answering any questions on there, as I always do. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.